Hello students, moving to next method. We are now practicing age related step problems. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Okay students, there are two candidates, Nuri and Sonu, and these questions are age related step problems. Okay, there are two candidates, Nuri as well as Sonu. Now taking, let x be age of Nuri and y be age of Sonu. Okay, 5 years ago. We are now taking some tips such as the word like above, we will minus word. If word before is used, we will subtract or minus. After word is used, we are going to add it. Okay, later word is used, then we are going to add it. Students, these are some terminologies. If in age related step problems, if word above before are used, we are going to subtract. If word after and later are given, we are going to add it. Okay students, now Nuri 5 years ago, that means we are subtracting 5 from both Nuri as well as Sonu's age. X minus 5 equal to y minus 5. Okay students, Nuri was thrice. Here we are going to thrice means 3 times. Here we are going to input 3. Okay students, we have subtracted 5 from both. From 5 years ago means we are going to subtract 5 from both, that is Nuri as well as Sonu. X minus 5 equal to 3 bracket y minus 5. Okay students, next statement is going to be in a form of equation, that is 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. Okay students, 10 years later, that means we are going to add. Okay, adding 10 on both sides, x plus 10 equal to y plus 10 bracket. Here word twice is given, that is 2 times. Okay, now students, we have converted statements in mathematical equation forms. Okay students, now multiplying x minus 5 equal to 3 into y, 3y minus 15. Okay, taking x and y on LHS, x minus 3y equal to minus 15 plus 5, x minus 3y equal to minus 10, equation number 1. Okay students, simplifying next equation, x plus 10 equal to 2y plus 20, x minus 2y equal to 20 minus 10, x minus 2y equal to 10, equation number 2. Okay students, two equations are obtained from two row equations. Okay students, now first equation is x minus 3y equal to minus 10. Second equation is x minus 2y equal to 10. Okay, underlining the terms containing x, both the coefficient are 1. Here coefficient of x is 1, also in second equation coefficient of x is 1. So there is no need to multiply. Then also if we wish, then we can multiply with 1. That is rewriting x minus 3y equal to minus 10, x minus 2y equal to 10. Okay students, now changing sign, minus plus minus. Here minus y equal to minus 20. Okay, eliminating negative on both sides gives y equal to 20. Okay students, putting y equal to 20 in equation number 1, x minus 3y equal to minus 10, x minus 3 bracket 20 equal to minus 10, x minus 60 equal to minus 10, x equal to minus 10 plus 60. Okay, x equal to 50. Okay, value of x is 50, value of y is 20. Now students, we have supposed the age, x be the age of Nuri and y be the age of Sonu. Therefore, age of Nuri will be 50 years and age of Sonu will be 20 years. Okay students, here we are completed. Okay students, moving to next question. The ratio of present age of mother and her daughter is 8:3. After 5 years, the ratio of their age will be 9:4. Find their present ages. Okay students, our first step will be, let x be age of mother, y be age of daughter. Okay student, the ratio of present age of mother and daughter is 8:3. Therefore, x by y, ratio, taking the ratio x by y equal to 8/3. Okay students, now converting next statement into equation. After 5 years, the ratio of their ages will be 9:4. Students, after 5 years means adding 5 to x as well as adding 5 to y. After 5 years, the ratio will be 9:4, that is 9/4. Students, now we have converted the statement into equation forms. Now we are simplifying it. Simplifying the first equation, cross multiplying 3x equal to 8y. Okay, taking x and y on LHS, 3x minus 8y equal to 0. Equation 1 is established. Okay. Simplifying the equation number 2, 4 bracket x plus y equal to 9 bracket y plus 5. 4x plus 4 into 5 gives 20, 9y plus 45. 4x minus 9y equal to 45 minus 20. 4x minus 9y equal to 25. Equation number 2. 3x minus 8y equal to 0 is equation number 1. 4x minus 9y equal to 25 is equation number 2. Underlining the terms containing x, that is 3x and 4x. Okay, now multiplying equation 1 with 4 and equation 2 with 3. Okay students, we are multiplying equation number 1 with 4, which is the coefficient of x, in equation number 2. Multiplying equation number 2 with 3, which is coefficient of x, in equation number 1. Okay, 12x minus 32y equal to 0. Multiplying 4x minus 9y equal to 25 with 3. 12x minus 27y equal to 75. Changing sign, minus plus minus. Here 12x is eliminated. Minus 5y equal to minus 75. Negative is eliminated. Y equal to 75 by 5. Y equal to 15. Putting y equal to 15 in equation number 1. 3x minus 8y equal to 0. 3x minus 8 bracket 15 equal to 0. 3x minus 120 equal to 0. 3x equal to 120. X equal to 120 divided by 3. X equal to 40. Therefore, x is the age of mother and y is the age of daughter. Therefore, age of mother equal to 40 years. Age of daughter equal to 15 years. Students, here we have completed. Okay students, moving to next method. Sum of two numbers is 35. 4 times the larger number is 5 more than 5 times smaller number. Find these numbers. Okay students, there are two numbers, that is, one is larger, one is smaller. Let x be larger number, y be smaller number. Okay students, sum of two numbers is 35. Therefore, x plus y equal to 35. Equation number 1. Okay, 4 times the larger number. Here word is already given in question. 4 times larger number, that is 4x is a applies equal to 5 more, that is 5 plus 5 times smaller number, that is 5y. Okay students, repeating again, 4 times the larger number is 5 more than 5 times smaller number applies 4 times this larger number is 4x equal to 5 more 5 plus 5 times the smaller number means 5y. 4x minus 5y equal to 5, equation 2. X plus y equal to 35, that is equation number 1. 4x minus 5y equal to 5, that is equation number 2. Underlining the terms containing x, that is here the coefficient of x is 1, here the coefficient of x is 4. Multiplying equation 1 with 4 and equation 2 with 1 gives 4x plus 4y equal to 140. Here multiplying equation 2 with 1, 4x minus 5y equal to 5. Changing sign, minus, plus, minus. Here 9y equal to 135, y equal to 135 divided by 9, y equal to 15. Putting y equal to 15 in equation number 1, we get x plus y equal to 35, that is putting value of y equal to 15, x equal to 35 minus 15, x equal to 20. Okay, therefore student, larger number is 20 and smaller number is 15. Okay students, here we are